What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Goddess filter on both Instagram and TikTok. So the Goddess filter is going viral on Instagram because it isn't an over-the-top Instagram filter. It's a beauty filter, but it doesn't enhance your features so much that it looks fake. So I'm going to be going ahead and showing you how to get it right now. So if you're on your Instagram homepage, what you need to do is go to your stories section like I was just on, and you can do that by either tapping where it says your story at the top left hand corner, or you can just simply swipe to the right on your homepage, and then that will take you to your stories feature. Then what you can see at the bottom there is all those different filters. So you want to swipe all the way to the right hand side till you get the magnifying glass. So there it is. So once you find the magnifying glass on your story, go ahead and tap on it. Then you can see a magnifying glass at the top right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on that. And then in the search bar where it says search effects, you just want to type Goddess, just like that. And then it'll load up all the Goddess filters. Now you need to go ahead and select the second one there in the first row, Goddess by Yana Bononi. That is the correct one. So go ahead and tap on that. And this is the filter in action. So what you can do from this screen is you can download it there and add it to your camera so you can quickly get access to it later on your stories. Or you can go ahead and tap the try it now button. So I'll go ahead and do that. And this is what the filter looks like once it is being applied onto your Instagram story. So you can see it beautifies your face with those little sparkles in the background and everything like that. So all you would need to do is go ahead and record from here. So I just recorded a quick story, and then from here you can just tap on your story at the bottom left to add it to your story. Now to go ahead and post this on TikTok, what you need to go ahead and do is tap the download button. You can see that little down arrow with the line underneath it. Tap on that. And now the video has been saved to my camera roll, so I can go onto TikTok. And once you're on TikTok, tap the plus icon at the bottom in the center, and then that will take you to your TikTok camera, and then you can see it says upload there at the bottom right hand corner. Tap on upload, and then you want to go ahead and select the video that you just saved from Instagram. So it's this one. Then tap on next at the bottom right, and you can trim the clip however you would like it. I'm just going to leave it how I recorded it. Tap on next at the top right, and then you can go ahead, add sounds, effects, text and stickers. Customize your TikTok video however you would like. Then tap on next at the bottom right. Then you would just simply go through the posting process. So add a description, add your hashtag, select all your different settings, and then go ahead and tap on post at the bottom right hand corner. So that is how you get the Goddess filter on both Instagram and TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all the Instagram and TikTok trends. Take care.